In this video, I'll show you how to create a CRM workflow in GoHighLevel step by step. Step 1. Log into your GoHighLevel dashboard and go to Automation, then Workflows. This is where you'll build your powerful CRM processes. Step 2. Create a new workflow. Give it a name like Lead Nurture or Client Own so it's easier to manage. Step 3. Add triggers. Triggers tell the workflow when to start. For example, new lead added, form submitted, or appointment booked. Step 4. Add actions. This is where the magic happens. You can send emails, SMS, update pipeline stages, assign tasks, or notify your team. All automated. Step 5. Build conditional logic. Use if or else branches to personalize the workflow. For example, if a lead replies, stop the automation and notify your sales rep. Step 6. Test your workflow. Run it on a sample lead to make sure emails, texts, and CRM updates are firing correctly. Step 7. Activate and track performance once live. Monitor how leads move through your CRM pipeline and optimize based on results. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can create a fully automated CRM workflow and go high level and take your client management to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.